Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ninja Foodi sweet potato casserole. This is a great dish for a small scale Thanksgiving or Christmas where you can make it right in your Ninja Foodi. We're going to use the bake function, so you do need a Ninja Foodi multi-cooker that has both the pressure cooker and the bake functions. So you're going to need 1 cup of water, 2 pounds of sweet potatoes, 1 cup of chicken broth, a teaspoon of dry chives, half a teaspoon of salt, fourth a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, third cup packed brown sugar, and a tablespoon of maple syrup. So these are going to be the ingredients to make the actual sweet potato portion of this dish. And then we're also going to need ingredients to do the crumble topping. You will need 1 cup of chopped pecans, half a cup of gluten-free or regular flour, half a cup of packed brown sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and fourth a cup melted salted butter, plus an additional 2 tablespoons for topping. So these are going to be all of the ingredients you need, most of which will all be in your pantry. And it's a very basic sweet potato casserole, but with the Ninja Foodi twist. So the first thing you're going to do is put your wire rack into the pot of your Ninja Foodi on the lowest position, and then you're going to go ahead and secure that in place. And you're going to make sure that you've got it ready to top with the water. So I've got 1 cup of water on here, and then I'm going to secure my lid and cook on high pressure for 2 minutes. So make sure your valve is sealed as well during the pressure cooking. So once that's done, you're going to go ahead and quick release that and remove, peel, and cut those potatoes into 1.5-inch cubes. Now you may have to give it a minute or two for those potatoes to cool off before touching them. Once you're done with that, you'll place the cubes back into the pot of the Ninja Foodi, this time without the rack, and pour 1 cup of chicken broth in the pot. Go ahead and cover and cook these on high pressure for 10 minutes, and then you're going to go ahead and quickly release that pressure. Once you've quickly released the pressure, you're going to put those cooked potatoes in a bowl along with that broth and add an additional 2 tablespoons of broth. Then add in your chives, salt, pepper, pumpkin pie spice, brown sugar, and maple syrup. Use a potato masher and just combine those and mix them up until they are mashed to your preferred consistency. And then you're going to go ahead and put them into a greased 8-inch cake pan. So you want to prepare that pan and then carefully put your potato mixture in there. So you can see I've got that. And then we're going to use another bowl and combine our crumble mixture. That's the pecans, flour, brown sugar, and ground cinnamon, and mix that up really well. So as you can see here, I've got a pan with the sweet potatoes, and then I'm starting on the crumble mixture. So once you're done with that, you're going to add melted butter to it. You're going to just add the initial amount of melted butter, save 2 tablespoons for later. Add that and mix it up until it's a crumble mixture, and then just go ahead and top those potatoes evenly. So you got this right on top. Then you're going to place that pan on the rack in the lowest position and put it back in the pot of the Ninja Foodi and bake it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, go ahead and lightly brush that remaining 2 tablespoons of butter right on top. And then after it's done cooking, you'll let it cool for 5 minutes and then you can serve it. So this is how you make Ninja Foodi sweet potato casserole. Very easy to make, all in one dish here to serve, so you can serve it right in the pan, or right out of the pan, sorry. You can find this full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next recipe. Thanks so much for tuning in today.